Welcome to our video on space planning. We're going to be showing you 3 different methods for creating your wall perimeter. And our first method we call our quick perimeter method. The quick perimeter method is a very fast way to establish your wall perimeters using the drawing tools within DreamDraper. Once you've established your walls, you can then add your furniture and accessories. And you can also add color, fabric, and textures to add pizzazz to your design. We will also show you how you can design on top of a blueprint. You will be able to insert a blueprint onto the DreamDraper canvas, and you'll be able to add furniture and accessories right on top of that blueprint. And of course, you can always add color and other patterns to the DreamDraper templates and show your client various color options. We also have wall templates so that you can create your perimeter. Then you can start designing by placing your furniture and accessories. Notice that just by adding a little bit of grayscale color, your design can really pop. Alright, we're ready to start designing. Now just